Akugo! 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 Where are you? Akugo, so you have succeeded in killing your husband. You have succeeded in killing your own husband.
Hey! Nai, what are you talking about?
What I'm talking about is that you have succeeded in killing your own husband.
Uncle.
Come on, will you shut your mouth? Don't talk when I'm still talking. Do get me right. Oh, Sir Akugo, you have succeeded in your plans. No wonder they gave you this mark of the beast on your forehead. Eh? Now listen, you have killed my only brother. My only brother. Look, for this reason, I will make your life miserable in this village. You will know that I am Osondo. Don't worry. Your life must be miserable in this village. Idiot. Anobia.
Hey,
Akugo.
Nai,
Huh?
what is that?
Never
leave me, Nai. What is that, Nai? Why are you hiding my waist?
Listen, Akugo. I've been pleading that you just give me a chance to enter. Eh? Just give me a chance to enter. Listen to me. Anytime I'm sleeping, I always think of you. Even in my dreams, I always see your picture. Akugo, Akugo, Akugo. Now listen to me. If you can just allow me to enter and swim small. You see that land?
Enter where?
I ask you not to cultivate. Go and cultivate us. As that is anyhow you want to cultivate, just go. Even if you can encroach into another person's land, let the problem be on my head. I will take care of it. Just please give me a chance to swim, enter into that your small hole. It's not a big deal, please.
Nai, can you hear yourself? Nai, can you hear what you are vomiting? Can you hear the nonsense you are vomiting in Nai? Nai, you have a beautiful wife. Please leave me alone.
Now listen to me.
Ever before my husband died, you are disturbing me. Leave me alone now.
Now listen to me. Even before your husband died, it's true. That was the time I started admiring your beauty. Now when you talk about my wife, of course my wife is a beautiful woman. But let me tell you something. When you eat ogbono soup and the egusi soup, if you mix them together, it will not look. So just allow me to enter and swim small. It's not a big thing.
No.
Why are you too stingy? Why are you too stingy, Akugo?
No, let me tell you. Do I look like ogbono soup?
You have just said it. You have just said it.
No. Oh yeah. Be going.
That I should go.
Leave!
Anyway, there's no problem. But think twice.
Leave, Nai. Leave!
No, don't just be stingy. Just think twice. Think about it.
Think what? Leave, Nai.